Hello everyone, in today's topic, we are going to talk about points, lines, line segments, rays, and angles. So let us have the vocabulary to know. The first one is point. Point is an exact location in space. So we draw it. It is a closed circle, A. Read it, point A. Write it, point A. So there are types of points. One of them are collinear points. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. So we have points A, B, C. They lie on the same line. Unlike the other point A, B, C doesn't lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. Now let us have the coplanar points. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. So if we have this figure, we ask ourselves, are the following points coplanar? Point A, B, C? Yes, it is. How about points C, B, F, G? Yes, it is. And how about points H, G, F, E? Absolutely yes. So again, coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. Now let us have the line. Line is a straight path that goes in two directions without ending. So if we draw a line, it looks like this, and in both directions, it can be extended. So it is infinite. So if we have point A and point B, we call this figure as line AB, or we read it as line AB. So the symbol for line is a bar and then arrow on both ends, and then you put the 2 points, so AB. So we have line AB. Now let us have the ray. A ray has one endpoint and goes on forever in only one direction. So if we draw a ray, it looks like this, one endpoint, and on the other end it is an arrow. So if we have 2 points, so point C and point D, we call this ray as ray CD. So we are going to write the symbol for this one, ray CD. If we are going to read it, it is ray CD. Now let's move on to line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. So if we are going to draw a line segment, it looks like this. So we have point E and point F. We call this segment as segment EF. The symbol for segment is a bar and then two endpoints. So we read this one as line segment EF. Now it's your turn to shine. Identify if it's a line, ray, or line segment. Correct, it is a line segment. How about this one? Yes, it is a line. So how about this one? Is it a line, ray, or line segment? Correct, it is a ray. Now let us have the types of lines. The first one are the parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never cross or become further apart from each other. So if we are going to extend the two lines, they will never gonna meet at all or never gonna cross at all. So the first line is line JK and the second line is line LM. So line JK is parallel to line LM. These are the symbols, and when we read it, it is line JK is parallel to line LM. Now let us have intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other. So if we have two lines that cross each other, it looks like this. So line OP intersects line QR. Now let us have the last one, the perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that cross or meet each other to form square corners which measures 90 degrees. So if we have this line and another line and they form a square or a 90-degree angle or a right angle, so therefore they are perpendicular lines. So take note the difference between intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. Intersecting lines, they just intersect or cross without forming any 90-degree angle, while perpendicular lines form a square corner, okay? So in here, line ST is perpendicular to line UV. So those are the symbol, and when we read it, it is line ST is perpendicular to line UV. Now it's your turn to identify if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. Correct, it is parallel. How about this one? Correct, it's parallel. How about this one? Correct, it is intersecting. How about this one? Yes, it is perpendicular. Correct, it is parallel. Now let us have the last. It is intersecting. I mean second to the last. And the last one. Correct, it is perpendicular. Now let us have the types of angles. So the first one is right angle. It forms a square corner and is 90 degrees. The second one is a straight angle. It forms a line and is 180 degrees. And the third one is an acute angle. It is less than a right angle, is less than 90 degrees. And the last one is the obtuse angle. It is greater than a right angle and less than a straight angle. So it means that it is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So those are the types of angles. For your practice, please do your worksheet number 2 in the Google Classroom. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!